Welcome to the dark side of human attraction, the ruthless science of making her chase you instead of the other way around. Forget flowers and chocolates. This is about hacking the primal circuits that drive her desire. Stay till the end, because I'm revealing the hidden truth of mirror neurons and reward-based reinforcement, and how you can leverage them to make her obsessed with you. Ever wondered why some guys never have to chase and yet women can't resist them? It's not luck, it's science. Let's unpack why. First, let's talk about mirror neurons, those brain cells that literally make us copy each other's emotions and actions. Every time you show confidence, calm control, and a mysterious edge, her brain fires those neurons. She starts to reflect your vibe. But here's the twist. If you're always available and chasing, she mirrors that too. She feels chased but not attracted. Instead, become the prize. Stay cool, controlled, and unpredictable. Her neurons will crave the mystery. Next, the brain's reward system. Dopamine pathways that light up like fireworks when we anticipate a reward. The key word is anticipation. If you give her everything on a silver platter, constant texting, compliments, attention, you kill the anticipation. Her dopamine levels crash. She gets bored. But when you give her unpredictable bursts of attention, mixed with periods of distance, you hijack her reward system. She starts to crave the next dopamine hit, your attention. This is exactly how slot machines keep gamblers hooked. You're not gambling, you're the casino. Here's where most guys fail. They're always available. They answer every text in 30 seconds. They call back immediately. They drop everything just to please her. That's not attractive. That's desperate. The paradox? The less available you are, the more she wants to know you. It's called the scarcity principle. Basic economics applied to attraction. Humans want what they can't easily have, so give her space to chase. Let her wonder where you are, what you're doing. That's the fuel that keeps her interest alive. Finally, let's talk about frame. Dominance isn't aggression. It's emotional self-control. You're unshakable. You're the calm center of her emotional storm. Every time you respond with calm confidence, never overreacting, never chasing, her brain registers you as the alpha. She's naturally drawn to your strength. That's biology. Women evolved to seek stability and strength in a partner. Don't talk too much. Let your silence be powerful. Let her wonder what's going on in your head. This is the ruthless science of making her chase you. Mirror neuron manipulation, reward-based reinforcement, the scarcity principle, and the dominant frame. If you master these, you'll never have to chase again. She'll come to you, because at the deepest level of her brain, that's what she's programmed to do. If you found this video eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a drop of raw psychological truth. Leave a comment below telling me which strategy you'll use first. And remember, this isn't about playing games. It's about understanding how human attraction really works. Stay ruthless, stay smart, and let her chase you. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and flip the script.